Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. This lump of rust was found during one of my many walks. I thought it would be cool to try a non-destructive restoration on it. Every single lever was seized. I broke my pick wire finding that out. A massive shout out to Alan from UK Lock Pickers as he sorted me right out. Definitely top customer support from them. I did the restoration by first soaking in vinegar for 24 hours. I then put it in my ultrasonic bath for an hour. Then it went back in the vinegar. After another vinegar bath the internals started to move. Things were looking up. So I got impatient. I jet washed it. Got most of the surface rust of it. I then gave it another bath. I then proceeded to soak the lock in penetration oil. Everything was going great. I even managed to pick it. Result. However, the shackle was rusted in place. After freeing the shackle and a final clean, coupled with generous amounts of lube, we are good to go. I am using the tension tool from the legend Andy Mack and the pick wire that Alan hooked me up with. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you all on the next video.